Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Tired of annoying ads interrupting your iPhone experience? In this video, I will walk you through the best methods to remove those ads on your iPhone. Let's go. While it's impossible to completely remove all ads from your iPhone, you can reduce them by combining the following methods. The first one is to block pop-ups and cross-site tracking in Safari. To do this, go to Settings, then find Safari. Click on it, and turn on Block Pop-ups to prevent annoying pop-up ads. Next is to limit ad tracking. Still on your device settings, go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down and find Apple Advertising. Turn off personalized ads to prevent targeted ads based on your data. Go back and continue to Screen Time. Choose Content and Privacy Restrictions. And don't allow Apple Advertising. Lastly, I recommend using an ad blocking app. There are several ad blocking apps available on the App Store. One of them is AdGuard. It is known for its effectiveness and additional features like parental control. To set it up, open the app and follow the instructions on the screen. It blocks all types of ads, including banners, pop-ups, and video ads. By using AdGuard, you can enjoy an ad-free experience while watching your favorite content on YouTube. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.